Welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the hand tool. So with the hand tool, I can select, with the selection tool, I can select the hand tool. Okay. And now I can move my canvas around. And if I zoom in, which I haven't shown you how to do that yet, but if I click on the zoom tool, okay, if I hold space bar, I can click and drag, and now I'm using the hand tool. Okay. So if you need to zoom in and make your edit, make your animation, whatever you're working on, if you need to zoom in, that's how you do it, okay? And then you grab the hand tool to move around in the canvas. Now, I use this tool all the time for every program in the Creative Cloud library except for Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro is the only application that I can think of off the top of my head, and I could be wrong on that, but that's the only program that I use that doesn't allow me to use the hand tool for this, holding spacebar and moving things around. It's such a habit of mine to do that when I can't do it, I'm like, what am I doing wrong? And then it's like, oh, I'm in Premiere Pro. In Photoshop, in Illustrator, and InDesign, XD, Dreamweaver, you can't do it either because that's web development. But all those applications that I mentioned besides Dreamweaver and besides Premiere Pro allow you to do this. Okay. Now there may be more than that, so again, don't hold me to it because unless I go through every program and test it, it isn't 100% accurate. It's about 99% accurate. So Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, XD, AfterEffects, I use this. I click spacebar. I don't click. I press spacebar, and then I click and drag, and I can move around the canvas. And it is crucial because it allows you to really get into the nitty-gritty here, and I can move around and work on whatever I'm working on. Okay, now I don't want to spoil the next tool too so much, so I'm going to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.